66 million years ago, the Earth was a world of giants, a world of dinosaurs. The Late Cretaceous era was a time of colossal creatures and unfathomable wonders. It was a time when the land was lush with verdant forests, teeming with life, and echoing with the calls of creatures that have long since vanished. The air was heavy with the scent of flowering plants, and the skies were painted with the vibrant hues of dawn and dusk. The world was a symphony of sounds, from the rustling leaves in the wind to the distant rumble of active volcanoes. In this age of giants, North America was a mosaic of diverse environments, from snowy forests to vast floodplains. Rivers snaked across the landscape, carving their paths through the earth, and mountains reached for the skies, their peaks shrouded in mist. It was a world that was both harsh and beautiful, a testament to the relentless march of time and the inexorable power of nature. Amidst this world of titanic beasts and towering trees, there was one creature that stood out not for its size, but for its cunning. This was the Troodon, a dinosaur like no other. Small in stature but large in intellect, Troodon roamed the night as a brainy hunter. Its lithe form slipped through the shadows, its keen eyes scanning the darkness for prey. It was a creature of stealth and strategy, a testament to the power of intelligence in a world dominated by brute strength. Troodon was an anomaly, a puzzle piece that didn't quite fit the picture of the dinosaur world as we often imagine it. It was not the biggest nor the strongest, but it had something unique. A brain that was larger in proportion to its body size than any other dinosaur. This brainy hunter was a creature that relied on its wits, its agility, and its cunning to survive in a world of giants. In this world of giants, there emerged a small but brilliant predator, Troodon, the brainy hunter. Unearthed first from a tooth in 1855, Troodon began to challenge our understanding of dinosaur intelligence. Let's rewind our clocks to the mid-19th century, when a single tooth sparked a revolution in our perception of dinosaurs. This tooth, unlike any other, belonged to a creature that would later be known as Troodon, a name derived from the Greek words for wounding tooth. And indeed, it was the tooth's unique serrated structure that first caught the attention of scientists. The tooth had a distinctive shape and a series of fine serrations, a feature that was different from most theropods, the group of carnivorous dinosaurs, to which Troodon belongs. These theropods, often imagined as the ferocious tyrants of the Cretaceous, typically sported straight, blade-like teeth. But Troodon was different. Its teeth were curved and serrated, more akin to a modern steak knife than the simple daggers of its theropod cousins. This small difference hinted at a whole new world of possibilities. A world where dinosaurs weren't just mindless eating machines, but creatures capable of complex behavior. And as more Troodon fossils were unearthed, this world became increasingly real. These fossils revealed a dinosaur that was small, swift, and surprisingly brainy. With a keen sense of vision, thanks to its large eyes and a brain-to-body ratio that rivaled that of modern birds, Troodon was a far cry from the lumbering giants that typically come to mind when we think of dinosaurs. So what does this all mean? It means that over 66 million years ago, a small but intelligent dinosaur was roaming the forests and floodplains of North America. It means that dinosaurs were not just diverse in size and shape, but also in intelligence and behavior. And most importantly, it means that our understanding of dinosaurs is constantly evolving, constantly being challenged by new discoveries. Troodon, with its unique teeth and sharp intellect, is a testament to this ever-changing narrative. This discovery was just the beginning of the fascinating story of Troodon. And as we delve deeper into this story, we'll uncover a dinosaur that was not just a predator, but a creature of remarkable intelligence and complex behavior. Though smaller than its gigantic counterparts, Troodon wielded a weapon far more powerful: its intelligence. Unlike the colossal T-Rex or the towering Triceratops, Troodon was a modest creature in size, measuring just about 2 meters long and tipping the scales at around 50 kilograms. But don't let its petite stature fool you. This was a dinosaur that capitalized on every inch of its anatomy to survive and thrive. Its large eyes, for example, were likely adapted for night vision, enabling it to stalk its prey under the cover of darkness. Then there's its brain-to-body ratio, one of the highest among dinosaurs, suggesting a high level of cognitive abilities. This mental prowess, combined with a lean, agile body, made Troodon a formidable predator in its own right. In the game of survival, it's not always the biggest or the strongest that come out on top. Troodon was small but smart, making it a formidable hunter. With one of the largest brains relative to body size, Troodon challenges our perception of dinosaur intelligence. This small but fierce predator was not just a mindless killing machine, but rather an animal that used its brain to survive in the harsh world of the Late Cretaceous. The brain of Troodon was large for its size, even when compared to other dinosaurs. This suggests a high level of intelligence. In fact, the brain-to-body ratio of Troodon was similar to that of some modern birds, the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. This might lead us to imagine Troodon as an avian Einstein, navigating the world with a sharp mind and keen senses. But that's not all. Some scientists even compare the intelligence of Troodon to that of certain mammals. If this is true, then Troodon was not just smart for a dinosaur, but smart by modern standards. It might have been capable of complex behaviors and problem-solving skills, far beyond what we usually associate with dinosaurs. What's more, the large forward-facing eyes of Troodon suggest that it had excellent vision, perhaps even binocular vision, which is associated with depth perception and hunting prowess. This, combined with its impressive brain power, would have made Troodon a formidable predator, a clever hunter that used its wits to outsmart its prey. This brainy hunter was perhaps the smartest of all dinosaurs. It was a testament to the fact that strength and size are not the only ways to survive. In the world of Troodon, intelligence was the ultimate weapon. As night fell, Troodon emerged from the shadows, a silent and deadly predator. Unlike its larger, more brutish cousins, Troodon relied on stealth and cunning to capture its prey. With its large eyes, adapted for low light conditions, it saw clearly under the moonlit sky, spotting small mammals, lizards, and even baby dinosaurs. Its diet, varied and opportunistic, reveals a creature adaptable and resourceful. It wasn't picky, it was efficient. Troodon's acute night vision and nimble body made it a lethal adversary in the hushed stillness of the night. But the true weapon in Troodon's hunting arsenal was its sickle-shaped claws. Much like the raptors we're familiar with, these claws were not just for show. They were used to deliver swift, fatal blows to unsuspecting prey. What is even more intriguing about Troodon is its potential hunting strategy. Some scientists propose that it may have been a pack hunter, coordinating with its kin to take down larger, more formidable prey. Picture a group of Troodons communicating silently, moving in unison, each one playing its part in a deadly dance orchestrated by nature's most cunning predator. Whether alone or in packs, Troodon was a fearsome hunter. Its intelligence, adaptability, and ruthless efficiency make it one of the most fascinating creatures of the Late Cretaceous period. Every night, beneath the ancient moonlight, Troodon's hunting prowess was on full display. Beyond hunting, Troodon exhibited complex behaviors that hint at a high level of social structure. Imagine a dinosaur, not just hunting or scavenging, but nurturing and protecting. This remarkable creature may have done just that, according to some fascinating fossil finds. Nests, carefully built and preserved in the ancient earth, cradle Troodon eggs, suggesting a crucial role in the care and protection of their young. These nests weren't haphazard, they were intricate, meticulously arranged, reflecting a level of parental investment typically associated with modern birds. Scientists speculate that Troodon guarded these nests, perhaps even nurturing their young after they hatched. This is a far cry from the image of dinosaurs as solitary, uncaring creatures. It speaks to a complex social dynamic, a hint of dinosaurian intelligence that goes beyond mere survival. This nurturing behavior further sets Troodon apart from its dinosaur brethren. It's a glimpse into a world where dinosaurs like Troodon were not just predators but parents as well. Troodon, a testament to the power of intelligence in the world of dinosaurs. This brainy hunter, small but agile, was a creature that defied the norms of its time. While most dinosaurs used brute strength and size to dominate, Troodon relied on its keen intellect. Its sharp, serrated teeth, perfect for catching prey, and its large eyes, suited for nocturnal hunting, were evolutionary responses of a cunning predator. This dinosaur was not just a mindless beast, but a creature capable of complex behaviors. Its potential pack-hunting tactics and nurturing of its young were signs of an advanced social creature. The Troodon's impressive brain-to-body ratio suggests it may have possessed cognitive abilities comparable to modern birds or even mammals. In the pantheon of dinosaurs, Troodon stands out, not for its size or strength, but for its extraordinary intelligence.
Thanks for watching.